Let's learn Excel today. Today we will learn introduction of Excel. After that we will create a data, formatting it, and after complete we will save, print and share the data. Let's start it. Now let's open Excel. It will open blank spreadsheet. You can see from new tab there was a lot of ready-mix template you can edit and use, or you can search by online templates. Search anything and enter, and you will see a lot of online ready-mix template that you can use it. And here let's learn Excel. Here all Excel tab, and below is the ribbon, and each ribbon has their own group of options. You can click on the arrow and a lot other option there you can use. And here is a column, row, and a cell, C6, the name of the cell. And if you select a range of cell, it will call range, C3 through J13. Here we also have sheet 1. Click plus and we will create another sheet. We can rename the sheet and the group of sheet we call workbook. Let's create a data now. We create a simple table to show you how we can create and formatting the data. Now I already copy paste the data. Let's zoom it to make it bigger. And now we can start styling the font. Type the heading and style it. We can merge and center the heading, change the color, bold it, fill in the color, and then formatting the data, bold, italic, underline. Choose the table style you want. Change the currency setting. And then you can resize or align. Now let's do the total salary. Use AutoSum to get the total of the salary. And format it. After complete the table, we can save the file save as, and save the location you want. File name and choose the file type and save. Or you can print the data, choose the printer, or save as PDF. File name and choose the type format as PDF file. You can see from here the PDF size is exactly as what you data. After that, we also can print selected range, select the print area, and when we print it, only a selected area is printed. Or you can share the document to where you want. That is today. Thank you. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.